introduce that what is network. Basically, the network is the interconnection of the different computers, where these computers can be connected by cable, or it can be the connection between the computers. It may be the wireless, and these help for the telecommunication of the computer for the many benefits and its purposes. And the main example of the network is the internet. Now I will tell about the importance of networks. There are lots of importance of networks. Means when the computer are connected to each other and their network is formed, a single hardware can be used by the different computers on a single network. Different programs, different database connections, and different paid softwares and different things on a single computer can be used by the other computers. And it can make the audio video conferences, different connections, and it is very reliable and important source. It have very benefits. Now I will tell about the types of the networks on the basis of geographical area. Means there are different types on the basis of topology. There are different types on the basis of architecture. I will tell on the geographical area types: local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. Local area network basically tells about the interconnection of the computers on a single building or on a local region, where the computers are connected on a small area, and this cannot be separate to a vast area. It is a connection in a single building, and its size is very small. It have very lots of benefits and disadvantages and disadvantages. The local area network is very reliable network, because there is a physical connection between the computers. It can't be hacked. It is inexpensive, where the high rate of the data can be transferred. Disadvantage of the computers means local area network also have the various disadvantages. Entire system goes and fail down when a single issue occur on a single computer. Means when there is issue on a single computer or a single connection, then it flops down the total network. Now I will tell about the wide area network. Wide area network is a network of the different computers on very vast area. It can be globally. And example of wide area network is internet. These helps us for the transmission of the data from one part of the world to the other part, and it is very helpful. Best example of WAN is internet. It has very lots of advantages and disadvantages. Advantages are it covers a lot of area, and data can be transferred on the any region of the world. And due to the WAN, e-commerce is being, and the disadvantage is it is very costly, because to fix this network, the lot of cost is required. There are a lot of security problems, hacking, and different measures that can be taken that fails and disturb its advantages and cause many issues. The other type is metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network is an interconnection of the computers on a vast area, but it not extends to more than a city. It is formed by the interconnection of the different LAN networks. It helps the connection of the large number of the computers. The main example of the metropolitan area network is the cable connection. For example, the cable connection is fixed in one part of the city. It is separate over the city, and it provides its services in a single city. It do not extend more than a city. Lots of disadvantages and advantages are there. Advantages are its efficiency, its handling, and its speed is very high. It's covered the large area more than the LAN network. And the disadvantages are lots of the cables are required. There are the different difficulties to install this network. Uh, and this is very difficult to secure from the hackers. This is the main issue of the uh, MAN network, metropolitan area network. I have described LAN, MAN, and WAN. These are the types and its advantages and disadvantages. Thank you.